What's up, guys? So today we're going to be destroying an LG flip phone right here. As you can see, this is the one I found on the street. It's very destroyed, but we're going to be destroying it completely, so let's do it. Alright, so we're going to do a drop test. It's super windy out, so I have my 5S right there recording slow-mo. So let's click this. Alright, so here we go. We're going to do a backside drop. We're going to do drops from 4 feet. So here we go. Back drop, 4 feet, 3, 2, 1. Alright, here we go. So side drop, 4 feet, 3, 2, 1. Alright, for the last test, so face down, 4 feet, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so as you can see right here, I have the LG phone right here. Not much damage has happened from those drops, so we're gonna do a ludicrous drop test. So I don't have my 5S. It's on low battery, so we're gonna do a ludicrous drop test. So 3, 2, 1. As you can see right here, not much damage. So let's do it again. So 3, 2, 1. Man, I sure do love my iPhone 8 right here. What a great phone. Surely there could not be any worse phone. What is that? Ew, that's so garbage. That's trash. I love a lot of Samsung phones. This is my J3 Orbit. I sure do like it. It's a great phone, even though it's so slow. But yeah. Oh, what's that broke garbage? Get this piece of junk out of here. Gross. Alright, I'm gonna do a bend test of this phone. Oh wow, the glass is coming out. Okay, nice. So let's do it. Can't really see that much, but this is the best I have. Gee, this is pretty sturdy. Oh, but the glass is cracking. Well, this thing doesn't bend, but it does kind of shatter the LCD, so it's a pretty sturdy phone. Alright, so let's see if I can bend it from using some force. So here we go. Trying my best to bend it. Oh, it bent a slight bit, but not too much. Oh wow, this glass cover, oh, it cracked. I actually cracked it. Well, this is glass, so not too surprised. But yeah, but it's pretty tough, so yeah. That LCD is demolished, I'm pretty sure, already. Alright, hold on, let me try to curve stomp it, so. Oh, it did bend a little bit, so here we go. Oh, yep, that's bent now. Yeah, it's bent, so why not do it last time? Oh god, it's scratched pretty bad now. I want to see that camera right there. I'm going to test that now. Alright, let's see if I can crack the camera right here. Oh wow, look how warped it is. Oh, I think I cracked it. Yeah, that cracked it. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna peel this off. As you can see, it's an LG from some LG phone from Singular, which is AT&T, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna peel off all that glass. Yep, that LCD is very destroyed. Ooh, that's actually the actual LCD. That's nice. That's actually nice to know. Alright, hopefully I can get the LCD to come out, so here we go. Oh, it actually bent out of shape this time. But the glass isn't, the LCD hasn't fallen out yet. So all these glass pieces right here are falling out of it. Alright, so let's do this again. The curb stomp. So here we go. There's glass. Wait for it. Oh, it actually broke a rock. Actually broke a rock from doing that. So here we go. Alright. It's bent again. As you can see. It's very bent. Oh wow, it's actually splitting apart. I'm gonna throw it out. I'm gonna throw it. I'm gonna toss it down. Yeah, it's really, oh, it's actually coming out now. Didn't need a shovel for this. Just to break it open. Ooh, now it's coming out pretty much. Oh, there you go, there you go. The screen came out. Alright, as you can see, that's the screen. And that's the little timer right here, the little watch right here. As you can see, it shows you the time. Here's the LCD itself. It's demolished. Ooh, there's something right there, but yeah. Now I feel like I'm gonna take this apart. Oh, let me destroy that LCD with a shovel. Just gonna get rid of this glass, so I'm gonna get a shovel. Alright, here we go. I have my shovel right here, so here we go. This is gonna be the final destruction of it. Alright, so LCD. This LCD is pretty strong. Ooh, actually, never mind. The bezel's coming out of it. Yep. There's the LCD, the screen assembly. There's the backlight of it. See all these layers right here. I'm gonna take off. It's a little glass cover. It's bent now. Yeah, a lot of layers from these LCDs right here. Let me just peel this off. Alright, got the LCD itself out. There you go. Now it's all in pieces now. I can grab the bezel out of here. Yeah, there you go. That's good enough. Let's see this. Yeah, I'm still gonna need a hammer to destroy it, so I'm gonna get a hammer. Here you go. I have my hammer right here, so let's destroy it completely. Oh God! Didn't realize the rocks, the gravel right here cracks. Alright, hold up. Let me put it right here. So just completely finish it off. Alright, hold up. Oh, there you go. There you go. Got the second half, like a part of the second half out of it. So, alright, here we go. Trying to get that top half separated. There you go. Now it's all completely finished for. So as you can see, the LG phone is no more. It's all demolished. So thumbnail photo. Yeah, there you go. That's a good thumbnail photo. Alright, so hope you enjoyed this smashing of the LG phone from Singular. So So see you next time. Bye for the next video.